Hey, my people. Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ wife Olori Anu don pack her ileke and her ring, post am back to Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ palace. Say me Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ carry ileke and ring, make e carry and give another person. Say he no want again. Say the ring and the ileke na bondage to am. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of you when I don't know Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. And those of you when I don't know Olori Anu na one of the Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ wife. My people, Olori Anu don vex throw away her bead, like he don't throw away her Olori ileke. She don't throw away ileke. She don't throw away the bead. Her ring, she no dey with ring again. Now the picture na dey see for screen again. She says she no dey interested again. No, she no dey interested again. She don't throw away her ring. In church, if she dey waka, she no dey waka with the ring again. She even dey happy. She dey sing for her Instagram page. Say thank God, say she don free from bondage. Say ever since say the king dey tie am down with the ileke. Say the ileke wey be say she no dey get peace on top of that ileke. She no dey feel dey sleep well. She no dey happy. Na so photo shoot. Say so photo shoot she dey go dey make with the ileke. No be say ileke fit dey do anything for am. Say thank God say she don free o. Say the ileke na bondage to am. Say the ileke no dey give am freedom. Now she don carry the ileke, post am back to Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Me Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ carry ileke, may give am to another person. She say she no want ring again. Now they see her hand, she dey without no ring. Ring no dey for her hand again. She dey waka without no ring. She say as she just young so, and her eyes don open. No be the one wey be say she dey for that palace. She no know left from right. All wetin her brain dey think. Her brain dey always dey think say how to make only photo shoot. Now im baby say how to take appointment with the king to pretend for social media. Say she dey happy now. She no need to pretend again. She need to waka freely. Say now she don't be normal person. When be say this ileke dey tie am down for long time. Now be say she don't comot the ileke for body o. Because the reason say Olori Anu, now you use your leg to waka go. The king don't fair make statement for interview. Say she no dey approach any of your wife. Say he never toast any of your wife. Say if he send them go school, now then they say they won't stay. Now you stay. The king say he no toast you. Say now you stay. I say don't send you go school. Why you yourself no go use your certificate, go find job? May you go find man will be say dey for your set, will be say now go marry, apply future together. All this the way they talk say you don't free. Now so the ring they tie you down. Say you don't give the king back in ring. So you don't free. They live your best life. So now you know say that you go live your best life. That's why we say the king doesn't make you go, but you insist to stay. Say the king na very nice person. Now you still grant interview. Thursday for interview, say the king, me they know they call the man old man again. Say the man not be old man. You say you love the man, say the man a very smart man. Say your husband a very caring man. They carry food, can't give you for school. So now I make you love and fall in love with her, marry and say the he go send the palace guards, make they can't give him food for school. Say the man a very, very caring man. But that, you know, touch me for inside the interview, say the man they do the underwear. When and later when you don't see, say Olori Badira don't come. Say Olori Badira don't they do good thing. Say don't they cash up for Lagos. Now you come to say, okay, you want see wrong, go Lagos, so may you go find. Waiting me I know be say no carry that your nyash, see go near Wasiu Ayinde o. Because Wasiu Ayinde don already there with Olori Badira. So if you won't carry your nyash, as you don't carry your nyash, go Lagos. Because now Lagos now you see go. As you don't carry your nyash, go Lagos. Just find, go look for better job. The way you take get better job. Because if you, the way you go Lagos, will be say, you know go they work. You can't say go they depend on the king. You know go feel the same money they collect for king and like before again. So may you learn how to also work hard. Because you know when a laziness now make on a day for that palace. Because on a expensive lifestyle when I want they live. Now go to say the king they tie on her down. How the king take tire that the king don't use the mouth to say he no toast on her. He no toast anybody say I won't marry you now. Now they open her mouth. How young lady go they toast old men? You go they toast old man like 82 years old man, that old man. The old man thought say no be he toast on her, say now they force on herself because of say now one famous. Now no one work with on her. And we have a lot of celebrities in Nigeria wey be say no be say that they under old man before people know them. Now their hard work now carry them reach where they reach today. But now they very lazy with your certificate. You see go sit down for palace. You don't born one, born two finish. Now you can't run. Say you don't get freedom. If Olori Badirat get luck wey be say she run comot, say she dey make am. Na because say Olori Badirat don wise from palace. And Olori Badirat shop no be her first shop be that one. She don first get shop right from the time wey be say she dey for palace. She be person wey be say she wise. You know they use all her hand till they eat. E no be like on her wey be say all on her brain na so photo shoot na they think. Now you run go Lagos. No be say you get shop for Lagos. You want go start life. You want they live big, but you never get. So now more can look now. Everything will see they go. My people, I go see carry and come tell her. Now here we dey. Since Olori Anu don't carry ileke give you and ring. Alaafin Oyo, since Olori Anu don't carry ileke and ring give you. I bet carry and give your new Olori. Carry and give your new Olori. Where we say you new give and belle. Carry and give that one. May you not the flesh and together. Since we say don't reject the ring, you don't post them back to you for palace. Just carry and give another person. Because I know say Alaafin Oyo, you never marry finish. You go, they continue, they marry, they go. You don't use your mouth to talk am. And you get many way, say you see they train, they go schools, then they finish that school, then they come back, then they can't stay with you. They know they go anywhere. And you don't talk and say, you know they toast them. Now then they toast you. Now then they beg you to marry them. So my people, let me know what I think for the comment section. I go like to end the video for here. If you never subscribe, subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrities just where I upload. Bye bye till I come on away next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.